guys, this is the weekly checkup on Yoshi.
My wish is that the people of Bikini Bottom will stop paying any attention to the inane.
Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing another video, and it's on a review of toys. And let's get into the video. Okay, so first we're doing this Piggy action figure, Tiggy, or Tigery, or however you pronounce it. I'm thinking about opening them. I don't know. Here's the ones you collect. Alright. Maybe tell me in the comments if I should open it. Okay, and a Fortnite toy. Yes. Here's the one that you collect out of this squat. This part. And there's a QR code. I don't know if it works. Here's him, and here's him. I might open them. I'm thinking about it. Tell me in the comments if I should open either him, or both of them. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace.